Hi everyone, I know I look a mess. But I wanted to record my wash and go video because it's gonna be a busy weekend, and every time I record my wash and go, I always forget to continue recording because it's such a long process, and I'm irked, I'm always tired, I'm always stressed. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and separate my hair, detangle it, and then I'm gonna hop in the shower, wash my hair out. Then I'm gonna do a deep conditioner where I'll just put the conditioner in my hair, let it sit for an hour. I might go under the dryer, who knows, but yeah, I'm gonna do all of that. So stay tuned and enjoy my wash and go video. Oh, I'm washing it, gelling it, conditioning it, washing it, conditioning it, putting a mask, gelling it, and stretching it. So we're gonna do the works, okay? So stay tuned. All right, so I don't have much left, but thankfully my hair is straight, so I don't have to do too much detangling. But I just get a cheap conditioner, VO5, and I'm just gonna section out my hair. This is called pre-poo detangling, so that way when you go into the shower, you're not in there forever. You can literally just go right in, rinse it out, go straight in with your shampoo, go straight in with your conditioner, come out and do what you gotta do. So I'm going to section, and I'm gonna come back when I'm like closer to the front so you guys can see what I'm doing. So, all right, I answered my work email. I thought I was gonna come back when I'm done, but I did want to let you guys know, am I the only one where if you do try to attempt to do a silk press, am I the only one where when you wet your hair, you be scared that it ain't gonna revert back? Like, sometimes I'll be looking at it like, you gonna curl? Did you get heat damage? Like, what's up? But y'all, my length is crazy. It's so cute. Now, I just wish when I do my wash and go, it stayed this long. But we go stretch it, okay? Stick around, because I'm determined to get my length for my wash and goes to be this length. If I could get to be this length, I won't need to do twists, locks, U-parts. It's just like, I still feel like my hair is in the awkward stage.
Cap. Stop the cap right now! Stop the cap!
So,
granted, I know people are dying to get to this length. I know I was at one point in my life. But I just like to do this until my comb can go effortlessly through the hair. And when that is, that's when I'll just take that and then twist it down. And again, this is coming out of my hair blow dry. So really, it's not going to be as tangled as it would have been if I was like coming from an old wash and go. Now that's annoying. So, oh, that was fast. I already did one side. Alright, so I'm going to finish this side on camera. And this time I'm going to come back after I wash this out and I'm putting in my mask. That's when I'll come back. And also too, what's annoying when I do my own silk presses, I don't even want to call it a silk press because it don't be silk enough for me. But when I try to straighten my hair, it just isn't straight enough for me. Like, it's annoying. Because it poofs up by the time I'm done. And I've tried everything, and I don't want to put my setting too high. Oh, hold on a minute. The front is scaring me a little bit. I'm not going to say nothing yet because we'll know when we do the clay mask if we really got engaged. If we really got engaged. So, it's already 3 minutes. Oh my gosh. Alright, let me come back.
alright, so I got the Aztec clay mask in. Y'all, I haven't seen my curly hair for a minute because I've just been going, I did locks, and then right after the locks, I blow dried my hair straight. But I missed him. It definitely grew. It definitely grew. So right now what I'm doing the Aztec clay mask. So you just put some of this And then you put some apple cider vinegar. And it's just to hydrate your hair, especially if it's coming out of a different protective style. It's gonna moisturize it and get it really ready for a wash and go. So my thing, how I like to think, I could just do that. But the inches, I had to. But what's nice, so I kind of think about it as marinating your chicken.
What? Child. Anyway, so
Before cooking it, like, that's how I think about the Aztec clay mask. It's like moisturizing, it's like marinating my curls before I throw on my leave-in. And one thing that kind of sucks about doing wash and goes, you do all of this for your scalp and hair to be clean, and you just gonna put pounds of gel on it. That's the thing that sucks. All right, I'm pretty much done. So I'm just going to clean up in here. Just get all of it, because you don't want to waste none of this. So I'm gonna just put this all on my hair and make sure I get make sure I get through the root. So you can putting a bag over my head. I couldn't find a shower cap, so you're just gonna shove this all in here like so, like that. And you are gonna leave this in for I know they say 30 minutes. I'm doing an hour. I'm just gonna do an hour. I'll let you guys know if it shouldn't be on for more than an hour, for more than 30 minutes, but I'm doing an hour. Let it really penetrate through my hair and scalp and everything. So I'm gonna go make some lunch and watch The Rookie. See you. Alright, so I'm about to head into the shower. This has been on for about 45 minutes. I believe an hour, but I think it's 45 minutes. So I don't really know how I'm going to record this part, because when I wash this out, I'm gonna co-wash it to make sure all the mask stuff is out.
Really, nigga?
And I'm going to put in my leave-in while the steam is going. And I like to do the leave-in and gel together, so I'm gonna have to come back when my whole hair is gelled. I'm sorry I can't show the process, but yeah. This is where I always fail at, so I'm sorry guys, but I'll see what I could do. I might just like show y'all a real quick snippet when I get out, but yeah. So I wanted to show you guys real quick. This is what it looks like fresh out the shower. Nothing, I just rinsed it out. You can still see some, but yeah, this is what it looks like. This is my hair hydrated. So I just wanted to show you guys that. So I'm about to add leave-in and my gel and I'll come back. But I just want to show y'all the difference. Like the curl, everything is so nice. All right, so my hair is washed and the conditioner is all in it and I twisted it up. So now I'm gonna go ahead and section off my hair, and now I'm gonna go ahead and start adding my gel, and I'm gonna come back when I got 50% done to show you guys what I'm doing. So okay, so I'm just gonna do one section and come back because I'm in the middle of my show. So I'm just going to take small sections and really just take my time and finger rake. Yeah, this is gonna be a good, I could tell this is gonna be a good wash and go. everybody. So my hair is all gelled. It's done. I just need y'all to get into, like, I didn't get a haircut, so don't pay mind to that. But this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna go sit under the hooded dryer for about an hour. I wanted to do a side part. I might fix my part. I might do it that way. I think that's what I'm gonna do. But anyway, I'm gonna sit under the dryer and I'm gonna come back when it's fully dried. So I'm gonna be under there for an hour. So. All right, so we are going to stretch my hair. I have a random blow dryer, and then I got this piece from the beauty supply store. I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair off, and then start blow drying from the root. I've got scrunchies that I bought, and then I'm putting some oil on my hands. Don't quote me on this. I just know that naturals use oil when they're taking out their twists to stop frizz. So I'm just gonna do that when I'm handling this so it's not frizzy and it kind of gets some oil on it. I don't know. We'll see. But give me 1 second and I'm gonna get this all sectioned. All right, so I got most of it sectioned out the way. I'm gonna just put some oil on my hands. This step might be completely unnecessary, but so I'm going to pinch at the ends and I'm just gonna go ahead. All right, so my hair is all done. I don't band the very, very top of my head because I still wanted to keep the curl. So I just band these pieces. This is what the back is looking like. I know it's a mess. So let's not look at my closet. So I look a hot mess. I'm about to hop in the shower, wash my body up, do what I gotta do, start getting ready, and I'm gonna come back when I'm completely done and I'm ready to head out the door so y'all can see the complete look and see how it looks from beginning to end. So yeah. Then just going like that, and I am ready to go. Give myself a little pieces, and yeah. All right, y'all, that's how I do my wash and go. I need to head on out because I am running behind, but just do a little fluff. Okay, I'm satisfied. And then this is my final look. It's an all white party. So I gotta get these bracelets tightened, but that's all I got going on. Anyway, I'm gonna catch y'all on the flip side. Bye.
Shawty P the plug.